Hello, it's Merrington Monday. That's right, that's a day where we all wear our Merrington shirts and we celebrate that no matter how far apart we are, we're still all from Merrington. But you want to hear the funny thing about Mondays? A lot of people don't really love Mondays. They say stuff like, oh, I wish I wouldn't have to come to school, or I don't like to come to work. Not Mrs. Schuler. Mrs. Schuler loves Mondays because Mondays are the day where you can decide to begin again. That's right. On Mondays, you can make that choice to be your kinder self, your better self, your light shining self. So this Monday, I want you to make that choice, that decision to say one kind thing to everybody in your house, or do something nice, just one thing for everybody in your house. And then I want you to make a decision or a choice to learn one new thing. No matter how small, whether it's something new on your computer or something that someone in your house is trying so hard to teach you, or like a new word in a foreign language, like Yasou, that's higher by in Greek, Yasou. That's where I'm from. My family's from Greece. So today, in honor of Merrington Monday, say something kind, learn something new, and all good things will come to you. So in honor of Merrington Monday, let's sing the Merrington song, shall we? We're gonna say, I'm so glad I'm from Merrington. I let my light shine. I'm so glad I'm from Merrington. I do the golden rule. I'm so glad that I'm from Merrington. I will try my best and say nice things because I'm from Merrington. Everybody, I'm so glad I'm from Merrington. I let my light shine. I'm so glad I'm from Merrington. I do the golden rule. I'm so glad that I'm from Merrington. I will try my best and say nice things because I'm from Merrington. So remember, say something nice, learn something new, and all good things will come to you. That's all for this edition of Learning from Home with Mrs. Schuler. Ciao for now.